I called up every senior leader. From the first call I made was to Sachin Pilot ji. I called up Jairam Ramesh ji. I called up Pawan ji. I called up Bhupesh Baghel ji. I called up his associate Vinod Verma ji, who used to manage everything earlier over there. And no one helped me. Either most of the people did not pick up the phone, and the ones who did, they kept coming up with excuses. I was asked to shut up. I was asked not to raise this issue. I was asked to completely keep quiet and ignore it. And they will think about it after the 7th. They wanted me to put it under the carpet and completely forget about it. When I started raising my voice, and I say this with great responsibility, there was only one person in the entire Congress party who had a spine. The others, right from Rahul Gandhi ji to Priyanka Gandhi ji to Khadge ji to Jairam Ramesh ji to Sachin Pilot, they are all spineless. The only man who stood by and tried to take some action was Mr. Pawan Kheda ji. But unfortunately, he has no powers and he could not do anything. So justice could not be served. And you know, Arnab, what is really sad is that when something like this happens, it happens, maybe if something like this tomorrow happens in Republic, for example, I'm sure that you would send a show cause notice to both the parties. No show cause notice was sent for 7 days. I kept waiting. And when I raised this issue with Jairam ji after 3 days when he had the time, I was shouted at and screamed that I'm taking it the wrong way. And that, and then he said, oh, we'll send him a show cause notice now. I said after 5 days, and yet they have not sent him a show cause notice. No action has been taken. Today, after my press conference, the state president of Chhattisgarh Congress has made that man sit next to him again and done a press conference. So you see that man continues to do press conferences with Pawan Kheda ji. He continues to do press conference with Gurdeep Sappal ji, with Alok Sharma ji, and the state PCC president. And no action has been taken.
Sorry to interrupt you there, but Radhika, if I can ask you to sum up what was your basic charge out here? We need to be clear, because there is often in these cases an attempt is made to dilute the charge itself, right? So I want you to be clear, when you spoke to Sachin Pilot or you spoke to others, what was the charge? I mean, were you making the charge of sexual harassment, molestation? What was your specific charge which you had made to these leaders?
Arnab, when Rahul Gandhi ji was here in Chhattisgarh for his Nyaya Yatra, at that time, the same men had offered me alcohol. They had knocked on my door in the middle of the night, called me up and continuously offered me alcohol and said, nahi, nahi, hum aapke kamre mein sharab pahuncha dete hain, aap bata dijiye. And I continuously said that I don't want anything. And I raised that issue with Sachin Pilot ji, Jairam Ramesh ji, who was present at the Yatra, as well as the state Congress president. Now, after that, the same thing happened when I was locked up in that room. I continuously raised the thing that he has regularly been harassing me, and it is in front of you. I have not, I don't know what the intention of those 3 people were by locking me up for 1.5 minutes. I leave that to everyone.
Locking you up inside the room? They were inside the room, or locked you up inside the room with them?
Why would 3 men lock up a woman for 1.5 minutes?
Locked you up inside the room with them, or locked you up inside the room?
It's a question I want to ask them. I was abused with the... Huh? I can't hear you.
Locked up inside the room with them, or locked up from the outside of the room by these Congress leaders?
Inside the room with them. So Sushil Anand Shukla started hurling the nastiest of abuses at me. I have never even heard those kind of abuses. He started shouting at me. He started abusing me. And then when I screamed and I said that I asked the staff over there to call the General Secretary organization, Sushil Anand Shukla did some ishara and he got those 2 other men to lock the door from inside. So I was locked inside a room by 3 men for about 1.5 minutes inside the Congress office.